Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair your JBL Wind 3S with your Android smartphone. So in order to do that, first we need to power on our JBL. So over here at the top, there we go. Over here we have the power button in the middle. So let's press and hold it. There we go. Now we need to enable two things. The first one is the pairing mode on the device on JBL. And we can do that by pressing and holding this button over here next to the power button. And at the same time, we want to enable Bluetooth on our Android. So on Android, you want to go to settings, then go to connected devices and pretty much make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. And then we want to pair a new device. So you want to tap the button in order to pair a new device. Now, right now we are prepared to detect the JBL. So we're gonna press and hold the pairing button until we hear that sound. And as you can see, the light over here is blinking really fast. This means that now the JBL is trying to find the device. Now we can detect it on our Android. So now in the available devices, we want to find JBL Wind 3S. We want to select it. Then we want to pair. Oh, and of course, if you want to, you can also grant access to connections and stuff. And we are connected. Now, if we play something, then we should be able to listen through the JBL. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.